So I thought I'd make this video today because I felt cute or whatever. Oh God, that is a very unflattering angle, isn't it? You can see my double chin. But that's not important, is it? No. I was talking to my trainees the other day, and one of them is Bisaya, and they're keen to notice that my personality really changes whenever I switch from one accent to another. And I thought this to be really true. Let me give you an example. Whenever I'm talking to a Bisaya person in the office, I would very much sound like, "Dito mo gikan? Ato mo pantry? Sige na sila masunod ko na taod-taod. Salamat." But whenever I'm talking to my family at home, wa ko mag-ingon nga, di na mao. Ako lang na ng plano, mo'y sundon. Ginaw man ka, ana. Ano yung sound ba na naman na? No, we're not arguing. That is a fairly normal family conversation. That is a very common misconception on us Bisaya, that whenever we are trying to discuss something, we come off as rather aggressive. Yes, as you notice, I'm using my British accent because that's what my followers like, and I'd like to indulge them every now and then. I'd like to keep them. And I don't use this accent, again, outside TikTok. I have a fairly normal, or what do you call that? Neutral accent at work. I suppose that's it for me today. That's all Saturday gone. But I hope that you all have a very fun weekend.
Ano-ano nga ba ang mga karapatan ng isang bata?
Makapag-aral po.
Yes na yes for you, mother. Ang karapatang makapag-aral.
Maring, ang dinig ko ba, yung bunso ni Joy, tumigil man daw sa pag-aaral. Ayun na nga, Maring. Kawawa naman yung bata, sayang yung taon. Pero ang tansya ko dyan, Maring, nabuntis. Hoy, saba ka diha, Maring. Sana panagutan siya pag ganun nga.
Ang karapatang maisilang.
Maiba tayo, Maring. Si Janice, ba't nandito yan? 4-piece pala yan? Di ba pa na-flex na sa social media ng mga bago niyang appliances?
Asas, napaka-pritso. 4-piece din naman pala.
Pupusta ako, Mari, may sugar daddy yan.
Ako naman po tayo sa financial
Sarinang
planning. Bilang mga magulang,
Saan ka ba galing? Pero makay pa kasi ako ng labada kay Mama Arlene. Abi kakarating lang ng bill ng aming kurente. Diyos ko, Paro Day, napakataas. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko kukunin ang pambayad, tay. Ito nga mga Mari, kumuha naman kayo sa akin ng leche plan. Tingnan nga, mura lang. Pagkano man yung isang ganito, yung malaki. Ipautang mo 50. Kaya maliit.
sa Republic Act 9136 for the Electric Power Industry Ring. Girls at laba, kanina pa kayo maingay.
Pasensya na ho kayo, ma'am. Umi-extra laang naman ho akaw. Pandagdag pambayad ng kuryente.
Naintindihan ko naman po, nanay. Kaya nga po dapat talaga kayo makinig sa discussion ko kasi ngayon, meron na tayong tinatawag na Meralco Lifeline Rate Discount.
Paano ho mag-apply? Madali lang.
At Juday.
We're at IKEA. It's a slumber party. This weekend I've been drinking, and Inka's there. We don't care, we're drunk.
Oh no.
Ever lying down. So,
Sige.
this is a happy first.
Stop it, Dobby.
I can do this.
Mong gajam na biyos.
I don't.
She said, I'm a horrible person.
How dare she?
Believe that?
I can't believe
I'll get
that's
some
the
more
nerve. He picked me from Kevin. I think he rented
He has a
it.
carriage.
He does. He rented it though, but there's a.
Just saying, it's still a carriage that picks you up.
It is.
I'd be impressed.
And then what did you say?
Well, I said, girl, you better cool it. Because I'm about to slap your face so hard that your molars will fall on the floor, bitch.
You know, you should have. When we arrived at the restaurant, he took me right past all the tables inside onto the outside veranda.
A veranda.
or candles.
Magical. Ah, you're better than me, I guess.
I don't think so.
Because I remember Sharon, you sat her down. You didn't do anything.
I prayed so hard to the Lord. Trust me, it took a lot out of me to not do anything.
That's why you're better than me.
There's a table set up with a beautiful table runner and a steak dinner right there.
Oh, I can just imagine the ambiance. Is that how you pronounce it?
It is. And some wine. Beautiful Bordeaux.
I hate to admit it, but I feel envious. That sounded like a magical weekend.
It was.
Hey, you guys. He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. Yeah, cute, right? He also told me that my powers would grow like a grape that thrives on the vine. Yeah.
Ayoko itong ginagawa mo sa sarili mo!
Ano ngayon sa'yo? Bakit ba lagi mo akong pinakikalaman? Yung kilos ko, yung galang ko, yung
Dahil mahal nga kita! Mahal kita!
Ito na ba lahat? Okay, basahin natin.
Uy, boys, huwag kayo
Ang hindi magmahal sa sariling wika, sa private school naglipana. Kanino ba to? Santilian. Joke na nga lang. Lumang-luma pa. Ulitin mo na. Sariling wika ay pagyamanin. Hindi ko kayang aminin. Crush ko si Janine. Yun o. Hoy! Ramirez!
Ay, Janine, crush ka daw ni Miller.
Class! Kayo ha? Ramirez!
Ay, besh, hintayin mo yung papel ko.
Ay, sandali. May sagot si Janine. Wikang pinagmulan. Crush din kita, Dylan.
Ship ko na kayo, be!
Class!
Grabe yun!
Boys at taba. Gamitin ang wikang pinagkaloob hanggang December 25.
Daddy! Ito siya sa akin.
Maging dalubhasa sa wikang pambansa, kilikili ni Sir Gomez, laging basa.
Uy, ang bad. May ina yan lang.
Tanong ka pa. Principal natin yun, ha?
totoo naman kasi.
Wikang pinagyaman ng bawat pangkat, ginawa ko naman lahat, hindi pa rin ba ako sapat?
Hindi ko kaya mamibig muli.
Gets ko naman ang humor ninyo, ano? Pero class, subukan nating manatili sa tema. Gaya nitong Kleenex BT21 Go Local Facial Tissue. Espesyal ang edisyong ito dahil meron itong natatanging disenyo na hango mula sa kulturang Pilipino kasama ang BT21. Mabibili nyo lamang ito sa limitadong panahon kaya kolektahin nyo na ang lahat ng tatlong disenyo.
Ano yun, ma'am? Benta niyo sa amin for extra points?
O hindi ah?
Parang si ma'am.
Wait, may teachers kayong ganyan? Okay, next.
Magandang hapon, Ginang Beltran.
Sir, magandang hapon po.
Sir Gomez, be.
Patuloy, ako'y mag-o-observe po lamang.
Sige po. Sa wikang Filipino, maging dalubhasa, totoo nga, kilikili ni Sir Gomez, laging basa.
Bakit naman pinasa?
Ginang Beltran, maaari po ba kayong magpunta sa aking opisina?
Sir, gusto niyo ho ng tissue?
And every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna
Get one for sheet of paper. We are going to have a surprise quiz. Hala, bakit naman bigla-bigla, ma'am? Surprise nga, di ba? Pastor! Ay, be, kanino naman ako 1/4? Eto, be, oh. Thank you, be. Ay, be, may extra ballpen ka. Ayaw na kasi sumulat nito, eh. Alam mo, be, sumasobra ka na. Napakapalaasa mo. Ay, wow. Be, ngayon nga lang, oh. Ano ngayon lang? Akin na yung lip tint ko na hinira mo the other day. Oh, sa'yo na. Yung portable fan kahapon. Hand sanitizer kanina sa CR. Perfume. Suklay. Breast powder. Ang dami nga. Pati itong Kleenex hanky pack ko, ikaw na din nakaubos. Ano? Just because it's so handy and travel-friendly and cashes sa maliit na purse, hingi ka na din ng hingi? Nung PE, nung field trip, kahit nung swimming, you are such a leech. Period. Eh ano naman tong leech ako? Kumpara naman sa mama mo, back burner. Mama mo, red flag enjoyer. Miss Kasangkapan, Miss Agoncillo, Guidance Office, now, follow me. Appear! Ano classmates, okay ba acting namin? Period. Pasalamat kayo, wala ng quiz. Uy, better na sa guidance.